I'm calling up about the noise in your place in the small hours of the morning.
I doubt it very much.
You have a rabbit, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Well, it's thumping in the middle of the night about 3 o'clock in the morning. Thump, 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 thump.
Can I ask who's calling?
Well, I'd rather not say. I don't want any repercussions. If you want to do something with the back legs, maybe tie them together with an elastic band at night.
That's cruelty.
I haven't slept for the last 3 weeks. That's cruelty. Are you going to do something about...
What am I supposed to do?
Well, I've suggested what to do.
You can't... Would you do that? No.
I'll tell you. It's driving me mad.
And it's driving me mad as well, but there's not much I can do about it.
Thump.
The rest of the neighbours aren't complaining.
3 o'clock in the morning. It's
And who told you I had a rabbit?
driving me balmy. I've heard it on many...
There was some a couple of doors up for you had a rabbit as well. It might have been theirs as well. My rabbit doesn't get out.
Maybe that's the problem. Maybe it needs to get out more. Maybe you need to start exercising it.
That's a bit hypocritical for coming for you when you have to take your animals out.
I beg your pardon?
Yes.
Look,
So don't come moaning to me. There's nothing I can do about a rabbit, I'm afraid.
tie the legs together.
No, I'm not tying no legs together.
It's a damn nuisance.
Well, I'll tell you something else. If I get any more phone calls from you, I will be phoning the police.
Well, I tell you what. I'll get Rolf Harris round to sort you out.
Oh,
Yeah, hello, good evening. This is Rolf Harris from Animal Hospital. I believe you got a problem with your rabbit.
funny.
Is there anything I can do? Maybe come round with a didgeridoo?
Funny.
You got terrible language, Janet McClure.
Oh, Janet, you who the hell's this?
This is Galloway in the Morning at Scott FM.
You're a... Hang on a minute. You're a... Oh, sorry. Oh, you're a... What's the answer phone, yeah? Oh, you... Sorry about that. Oh, Kerry, you sound like a wife's couple of doors down the road for me. And I thought she would have been complaining about the rabbit, and I was like, how the does she know I've got a rabbit? You're dead. You are dead.
Hey, he emailed me a photo. The bunny looks beautiful.
That's right, aye.
Oh, it's a gorgeous little thing.
It's very, very aggressive.
Bye-bye.